coming back, Joe.
Okay, how far is he?
He's on our wall. He's climbing down a rollini, and he's jumping on furniture. See him?
Uh-huh.
You gotta narrate it.
He's ripping a bigger hole in the cushion.
I see. I'm watching him from upstairs.
He's got his back to me.
Yeah, I'm watching him from upstairs. Oh my God.
He's really ripping apart this cushion. This damn squirrel.
Watch what he's saying in a post on Facebook. Oh my God. Did you make a single part? Oh my God, watch this.
I am watching. I'm filming it.
Oh my God.
I wish he'd turn around.
I'm in total shock.
And he's a violent little sucker. Hey,
Joe, let him finish. I want you to film him with this cotton thing in his mouth.
well, if he turns around.
You got a full heart on that. Hilarious.
He's good about not taking the plastic.
No, he's putting the inside in his mouth and making it into a small little ball with his paws. I have rabies germs all over the cushion. You see him now?
Mm-hmm.